Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we finally have a penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, the number one rule to penny shopping at Dollar General is that we do not ask employees about penny items. And the reason why we do not do that is because the employees are actually supposed to pull those items off of the sales floor before Tuesday morning when the stores open up. So if you are new to penny shopping, here are a few little tips and tricks. Number one is to do your homework. Watch those clearance markdowns. Keep up with the penny list every week. I usually have my video posted on Saturday, but at the very latest on Monday. And always make sure that your notifications are turned on, especially after the last few weeks that we've had where Dollar General has been sending out memos at the last minute. So if anything ever pops up, of course, I'll throw together a video and let you guys know about it, but you have to have those notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out. Now, as far as actually going into DG and penny shopping, all you have to do is go into your local DG, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, because as with a lot of things DG, your miles may vary on certain items, okay? So we always scan those items with your Dollar General app and make sure that they show up as 000 or 001 as the price. And if that shows up, you have in fact found a penny item, then all you have to do is take it up to the register and check out. Now, if you all ever need the Dollar General couponing or penny shopping policies, I always link those in the description box of every single video. So if you ever need those, that's where you can find them. Now, before we get into our penny list for this week, I do have a very important question to ask you all. Here lately, I have been making the visual videos. So, for example, on your screen, you can see we have a back to school visual video. We also have the Easter visual video. And if you'll notice, those aren't getting a whole lot of views. Now, don't get me wrong, I am very grateful for every view that I get, and I am grateful for every single person who clicks on my videos and supports this channel. However, I am always trying to improve my YouTube channel, and I just kind of want to know what you guys think. Would you rather have the visual videos for the bigger categories, or would you just rather me include them with our clearance markdowns and penny list video, even if it makes those videos longer? So you guys let me know what you all think about that down in the comment section below. And now let's get into this penny list. Now these items will go down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 9th. So starting on Tuesday, we have all of our Easter categories going down to just 1 penny. So that does include our seasonal items, our home decor items, our party supplies, candy, and baking categories. Now, like I just mentioned, I have already put together an Easter visual video for you all, going through all the categories, tons of items, but I wanted to still refresh your all's memory in this video. So let's take a quick look at these categories. First up, we have the Easter seasonal category. You just saw the 2 tags that you want to be on the lookout for. They're kind of this aqua blue. And in this category, we have tons of items. Everything from little arts and crafts kits. We have the Easter baskets. Some of them you could use year-round, like they're not the traditional Easter baskets. They're more like, you know, home decor pieces. We have stickers, we have tabletop decor, we have all kinds of amazing items in this category. So again, be on the lookout for the aqua blue price tags and also like the aqua blue hang tags. And then as you all can see, a lot of these items just have the aqua blue packaging as well. Now, here in just a few seconds, we're going to move on into our Easter home decor category. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I was pretty surprised last week. It seemed like every time I opened up my YouTube app, you know, it shows you your recommended videos first. And it seemed like every single time that I opened up my YouTube app, there was a new video talking about hidden clearance, run, employees don't know about these items, da 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 da. So I clicked on a couple of them just to see, like, what am I missing here? Did something happen? What am I missing? And every single one of those videos were about the Easter home decor items. Now, I'm not sure why these were considered hidden clearance items, but it is what it is. And if you guys watched my Easter visual videos, then you already knew about these items. Now, I'm not throwing any shade at any other YouTube channel. I respect all creators. Everybody has their own thing going on. I don't get into any drama. I was just very surprised that it seemed like not a whole lot of people knew about these. And I was just like, okay, well, here we are. Here are all of the home decor hidden clearance items for you all. Now, I have not included all of the Easter home decor hidden clearance items in this video, so if you missed out or if you just want a quick refresher, make sure that you go and check out that Easter visual video, and I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, moving on into our next category, we also have our Easter party supplies going down to just 1 penny, starting on Monday, May the 9th. And in this category, I do want to go ahead and point out that we kind of have 2 different designs of the party supplies. So this one that's on your screen right now is more of a kid's cartoon kind of Easter theme, and then here in just a few seconds you guys are going to see the pastels with the real bunny on the plates, so it's more, you know, geared toward the adults, I guess you could say, but either way, be on the lookout for both of those designs. We have a couple of different sizes of the napkins. We also have the small plates as well as the larger paper plates and the serving trays as well. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have our Easter baking and candy category going down to just 1 penny, starting on Tuesday, May the 9th. Now, again, I've just threw in a few of these visuals from each category just to kind of jog your all's memory. So make sure that you go and check out that Easter visual video. And I do have a few more visuals that I need to put together as far as the candy goes, because I think that these are some items that might be overlooked. So I will be posting those in the community tab as soon as I get those done. So make sure that you guys check back over on the community tab as well. All right, now while we're wrapping up this video, I will go ahead and let you all know that as of today, which is Saturday, we do not have any new clearance markdowns happening at Dollar General this week, but like you all have saw over the last couple of weeks, Dollar General has definitely been pulling some fast ones on us and shaking things up. So if I get any new information, you guys will be the first to know. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Now, speaking of clearance, I do want to go ahead and give you guys a heads up that we do have a Dollar General clearance event coming up very soon. So I uploaded that video earlier this morning. If you missed it, make sure that you go and check it out. Guys, this one is going to be epic. And I do mean epic. It's going to be crazy. It is going to be fantastic. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and make sure that y'all stay tuned because I have more information coming on the Dollar General clearance event, and you guys are not going to want to miss out. So before you all go, don't forget to do all of the things. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All of those things are absolutely free. They really help out the channel, and plus the best part about it is that you won't miss out on any awesome deals. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.